Welcome back to Hi-Fi Tech and Entertainment channel. When I uploaded my CAP service, someone asked me how to deploy it to our Cloud Foundry. So in today's video, I will create a CAP service with BAS productivity tools, and you will learn how to build a CAP service with low-code tools and how to create the roles to enable the authorization and also how to deploy it to our BTP. So let's get started. First, we'll create a dev space. Here, I'm choosing productivity tool. If you choose, in my previous videos, when I developed a CAP project, I chose the full stack cloud application. Here, I'm choosing a full stack app by using the productivity tool. Namespace app. This is my dev space. So the dev space will be created and you will see that being started. Soon it will change the status to running stage. Now the status is in running state. Now click on the dev space tab to open it and you will be a main canvas of Business Application Studio. Here we'll create the project. So once you choose a productivity tool dev space, the BAS will look like this. That means the structure will change. Here click on create project. So based on your requirement, you have to choose the template. If you choose a productivity tool, it will be very easy to generate things, and also to write the code, it will take very less time. And if you don't know the basic structure how to create, if you choose this, the drag and drop option will be there to maintain. The code will generate automatically. So here I'm maintaining the project name is risk management, namespace and service name I'm maintaining empty. Click on finish. So the BAS will generate the project and all the files. You can see the following where you created in the data models and services that will expose the data and the more. To generate the project, it will take some time, guys. Yes, now the project is generated. Here the good part is if you choose the productivity tool, we have everything drag and drop options to maintain things. Yes. Yes, once you create a project, here you can see the data model. Here you can see the services. This is the user interface. If you want to configure any external URL and external resource, you can configure it here. If you choose the CAP project by using terminal to create a database, what we have to do is everything will create manually. But here we can create things automatically. So create a data model entity. Yes. Here it will display the data model cabinos with a new data entity. Yes, if you see here we are going to create an entity. Now, previously to create an entity we have to write the code, but here everything will generate automatically. I'm maintaining the entity name is risks. So this is my entity name and we have to add properties here. If you remember previously by using a book entity I created, there I maintained some data. Here I'm using some risk management properties. Yeah. Then description. Here if you maintain the length, based on that the entity structure will create. Impact. criticality. Yes. So this one, if you want to maintain it as an integer, just change it to integer. So based on that, the structure will create it. So once this is done, close the window. That's it. Now create another entity. For that, add entity. Same way, maintain entity name. Then we have to add the properties. Description, owner, timeline. Yes, so these are the three properties I added. That's it. Now I will add a relationship between the two entities. For selecting the immigration, click on the relationship, drag that it here to the yes. So once you maintain the relationship details, it will ask the pop-up details, it will ask type and connectivity one to one or too many or the name and the backend lines. These all things we have to fill. Click on OK. Now for both entities, if you show the details panel, you can see the relation. Now if you want to add the accepts, for that what you have to do is select this, show the details, show the details, go to the accepts. Here we can add the remaining properties. Let's add that. Yeah.